Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Faisal here, and today we will learn how we can add customers to the QuickBooks Online. So let's go to the screen and see how it works. This is our dashboard area. On the left we have navigation bar. We can access customers directly either from customers, or we will go to the customer hub overview or to the customers. So let's do it from the customers and see how it looks like. Now we have landed to the Customers Hub overview. If we use this option from Customers Hub overview, we will land on the same screen. We will go down and see an option over left given as shortcuts, New Customers. Just click it. And this is our screen to add the new customers. So let's add the title of the person which we are doing the business, like Mr. John, and as you have seen that it has already populated the customer display name as Mr. John and Mr. John's name to print on the checks. So we need to be careful that if we want to issue checks in case we have to refund the customer, then the name to print on the checks must be the name which we are giving over here. We can change it later, but be careful. And we can either give the name over here or we can just leave it. We do not want to add any contact person for the time being, and just add the company name like Onyx Games LLC, because this is the legal name and we want it to be added on the company name and customer display name and name to print on the checks in case the refund is we want to add the company name as Onyx Games LLC, customer display name also Onyx Game LLC, and name to print on the checks also Onyx Game LLC in case there is a refund due to the customer. But if we want to change the display name or the name to print on the check, then we can choose this option. We can add title Mr. John. We can either remove the name from title and use the first name as John, and that will be displayed as customer display name, and that will be the name for issuance of the check in case of the refund. So as per the customers and as per your requirements, you have to decide and choose what names you want to appear on the customer display name and name to print on the checks. For me, this is okay. And then let me fill out the email, felix@onyx.com, and then let me give the name one, and this is by the way fake number, this is not a correct number. And then we can add the website. We will not make this a sub customer of anything, we will see this later. Now let's add the address, 12 and Alton Drive. This is also fake, and name is Miami, and state is Florida, and zip code is like fake USA. And then if the shipping address is the same as billing address, then it's fine. But if the shipping address is different, we can add the different shipping address over here. If we wish, we can add some notes like for sale of games, and we can add certain attachments like we can attach the visiting card or any legal document or any other document you want to be attached to the customer. We can tell the QuickBooks that this customer will gonna pay us whether cash, through credit card or any other medium. We can choose cash, check or credit card, or add any kind of information or medium through which this customer gonna pay. So let's say this customer gonna pay us via cash. I will add it cash, and this is the terms for which we are gonna do business with this customer. Due on receipts, net 15 days, 30 or 60 days, whatever your terms are, you can select over here. You can also fix the limit to this customer. Let's say we have given this customer 1000 USD limit, and then we can add some additional information also over here. And if the customer is exempt from the taxes like sales tax, then we can add the exemption details over here. And we can use this opening balance If we are importing data from some other software, then we can use the opening balance information and put on whatever the opening balance and as of the date. But for our case, we do not want to add any opening balance, and our date, it doesn't matter to us. Now we can add some custom fields over here. One custom field is already added. Let's add another custom field which we want to add any other form of invoice or sale receipts or anything else, estimate, credit memo, or refund receipts. We can give the name of this field to be test field, and we want this test field to be added on the invoice, and furthermore we want to add this to the print on form. After this, we will save this information. We have to select an option that whether this field is text, number or drop down list, and let me select the option as text and number, and then we will save it. And now you can see that our customer information is complete and full. If you are satisfied, just go and press the save button. And we have this customer over here. The name is John and the company name is Onyx Games LLC. And we have not done any business with this. So the balance is 0, and the new customer can also be added from here. The new customer option, same option. So this is how simple it is to add a new customers in the QuickBooks Online. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and share it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.